Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing the ways to use Instagram for business. So in order to use Instagram for business, first thing what you can do is you can start by creating your account. So for that, go ahead and open up your Instagram account. Once you've logged into your Instagram account, you'll need to go ahead and tap the profile icon. So while you're on this page, tap the tab bar icon, and after that you need to go to settings. So once you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and while you're on this page, you need to go to account. After that, scroll down right to the bottom and you'll need to go ahead and tap on switch to professional account. Once you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and tap the continue button. Just do the same procedure. After that, you need to select what it best describes you. So select any of it and go ahead and tap the done button. Once you've done that, it's going to take 30 seconds in order to finish up. So after that, you'll need to go ahead and select business. Next, tap the next button and you can just go ahead and read all of these information. Tap the next button. Once again, you can give your contact info, all sort of things, and click the next button. It's gonna ask you to link your Facebook page as well. If you want to do it, so you can do that as well, or else you can just tap the skip button and you can just go ahead and select the particular one. So once you've done that, click the done button, tap the tick icon from the top right, and here you go, you've successfully set up a business account. Once you've done creating a business account, now what you can do is, in order to get your business started on Instagram, you can get real-time insight. You can share your contact information, so people come to Instagram to build meaningful relationship with your brand and all that. You can invite them and you can also sell directly on Instagram. So in this way you can use Instagram for business. Now you can just go ahead and use Instagram for business. So in this way you can use your Instagram for business. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.